My name's Mel, welcome to my world, and if you're new to my channel, at the moment I'm building a stealthy off-grid, go anywhere, sleep anywhere campervan. Now yesterday I spoke about my drawers and how I make them and all that good stuff, and whilst I was filming I come up with a great idea to make this little area underneath my big drawer into a little shoe cupboard. So that's what it looks like. I thought before I've put the drawer in place I'll just make this quick video so you can see what it looks like. There's my heater behind there, so that's all going to remain open like that. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that'll stop any overheating issues when it's actually running. There will be a drawer there, and as you can see I can quite easily access the heater if I need to. These panels just screw out. I only screwed in so I can take these out, take all my drawers out, and I can get to the heater quite easily. Now this front panel here, originally I was just going to face that off, but like I said, I decided to make this little bit of a box so I've got somewhere to put me one pair of shoes. And I did make this level with here, so it was level, but then I realised this sticks out quite a bit, this cowling. So because it sticks out and it does come off quite easily, it just clips on, I decided to recess it slightly so it's slightly set back, hopefully prevent me kicking it off. So I do just wear boots most of the time, and when I'm truck driving, I drive these great big trucks, I have to wear steel toe cap boots, and I know once I've got those boots on that's going to be definitely kicked off of there a few times. So to try and combat that, I've recessed it. It's a little bit, it still sticks out a little bit, but not as much as it would do if I'd made it level with this. So there we go, that's that. I think I'm quite pleased with that, and I've got to say, building this little bit here has taken much longer than I anticipated, and it's been a lot more fiddlier. Getting everything to line up, getting the drawer runners to line up, a real pain. I wouldn't even attempt to try and film myself lining this stuff up because yeah, the air was blue a couple of times. So right, I'm going to crack on and finish off the drawer because I've still got to put this drawer back in place and do the front panel for it yet. And then I'll show you what it looks like. Bear with me. Oh my days, it's getting cold. I'm absolutely froze. I'll get that heater on in a minute. Just thought I'd show you what it looks like. There you go, there's my cabinets. Hold the camera up there like that. Oh, it's so cold. So that one's finished as well, but I've still got to put drawers in there yet, or shelves rather. Yeah, so shelves have got to go in there. It hasn't quite finished, and it's a little bit tight on the corners there. I've got to trim it up a little bit. This drawer doesn't quite shut, and you can see there's a bit of a gap there. And because I'm a bit of a Virgo, I don't like that. That gap's got to be taken care of. I can't leave that like that. But the good thing is, my little shoe cupboard there for me one pair of shoes. The heater's finally installed. That's it now, that's done. The heater is done. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, because my fuel pump for the heater is under the sink, right at the back. By the time I put my shelves in there and all my bits and pieces, it'll probably mask the sound of the heater pump. That's why I've not bothered messing about with it and trying to cure that ticking noise. I think because it's right at the back there, I probably won't hear it anyway. So there we go, let's look at that. My cupboards are nearly all done. Well, they're done. I've just got to put a hanger in my wardrobe and some shelves in my cupboard there, and then I can wood stain everything. But yeah, that's for another day. I'm absolutely froze, I'm starving, I'm out of here. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you are new to my channel, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you won't miss a thing. Ta-ra for now, and thanks for watching.